Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya. Ilya is 9 months old now. He was 1 month premature, so he is considered more like an 8-month-old. He can sit independently, but he falls out of sitting. But he's not getting into sitting independently. He can get onto hands and knees, but not crawling. So one of the things he needs to do is work on propping on one arm and doing something with the other arm. So in the last video, I had him on my lap and he was propping on his elbow. And this time, I've got him propping on one elbow and leaning off to the side. I see. This doesn't look so bad. I see. So I've got my hand right behind his elbow and holding it so it holds straight underneath his weight. And so I can bounce him, I can rock him to the side to get more weight on that arm. Bounce, 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 bounce. Now, since he had a torticollis, we know that he could have more trouble on one side compared to the other side. Oh, I see. So we're just gonna try the other way and just see if there's a bounce, a bounce, 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 bounce. One side that's trickier. Again, it's not his first idea to prop on that arm. If I don't put it there and help him prop on it, it's not his idea. So I am having to work on training him to prop on one arm so he can move to the next step. If your child is in the same place of being able to sit but not being able to get in and out of sitting, then this would be a great idea for you to practice too. I hope this is an easy one, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.